Welcome to Mathematics Immunity. In the last video, this is the miscellaneous question on bearing and distance. So villages A, B, C, D are such that B is 4 kilometers due east of A. East of A. You place your cardinal point on A. It's due east of A. So such that B is 4 kilometers due east of A. This 4 kilometers. And this is B, 4 kilometers due east of A. C is 3 kilometers due south of B. South of B, this C, 3 kilometers. And D is 4 kilometers southwest from C. Southwest, 50. We assume this 50. 50 southwest, that's D. 4 kilometers, so we assume this is 4 kilometers. So you place your cardinal point on point D. So we join this place. So calculate the distance and bearing of A from D. A from D. So this is not a triangle. So you draw a line here, a little construction. So this is a pole and this is a pole. So you have angle 90. So now I want to calculate this place. If I know here, and I know this angle, and I know here, cosine rule, we find AD. So this is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So that's 3 and 4. So the hypotenuse is AC. AC square is 3 square plus 4 square. That is 9 plus 16. That is 25. So AC is square root of 25. That is 5 kilometers. So now, how do we know the angle here? This is 50. This is 90 minus 50. You get 40. This is Z angle. Here and here, they are alternate angles. We call here alpha. So opposite over hypotenuse, that's sine. Alpha is opposite over hypotenuse. What is 0.6? So alpha is sine inverse of 0.6. Sine inverse of 0.6. So we have 36.87 degrees, this place. So which is also here. So the angle here will now be alpha plus 40 degrees. So angle ACD is 40 plus 36 plus 87. That is 76.87. So using cosine rule, A square is B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. So AD square is equal to, we have 5 and 4. So 4 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 4 times 5 cos. This cos A now, but we're making use of C, which is 76.87. 4 square is 16 plus 5 square 25. 2 times 4, 8 times 5. That's 40. So we have cos 76.87. 0.2272. So 5 plus 6, 11, carry 1, 3, 41, minus this times 40. So we have 40 times 0.2272 is equal to 9.088. So 41 minus this. So we have 31.912. So AD is square root of 31.912. Square root of 31.912. That is 5.65. 5.65 kilometers. And the bearing of A from D. Bearing of A from D. You stand here. This is a cardinal point. So bearing of A from D. Now this is not proper. Okay, this is coming this way. Okay, so bearing of A from D, you stand on the north pole of D and move until you touch the line that leads back to A. This is A. So how do we do that? From here to here, we know it's 360. So let us find a way to find this angle. If I know this angle, let's call this angle beta. So I can use sine rule. 5 over sine beta is equals to this over this angle. So using sine rule, A over sine A is equals to B over sine B, equals to C over sine C. So AD, which is 5.65 over sine, this angle here is we got 76.87. 76.87 is equal to, so we can now say 5 over sine beta. 5 over sine beta. So when you cross multiply, you have the sine beta is 5 sine 76.87 over 5.65. So you just multiply straight away. Sine 76.87 equals to this times 5 divided by 5.65. So just compute that. So we have 0.8618. So beta is sine inverse of 0.8618. 0.8618. Sine inverse of that, 59.5. 59.5 degrees. So this is the angle. So how do we get this angle? Now this is 50. Z angle is also 50. So 59.5 minus this 50 we have here will be 9.5. So we can now say that the bearing of A from D will be 360 minus 9.5. So the bearing of A from D is 360 minus 9.5. 360 minus 9.5. 350.5. 350.5 degree, or north 9.5 west, or north 9.5 degree west. So I've come to the end of the class. Please subscribe and share and like the video. See you next class. Thank you.